Hi, I'm Kate McDermott of Art of the Pie. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best fruit pie filling. It's very easy. This will be for pretty much any fruit that is out there. And today, because sometimes you're making a fruit pie filling and it's not a seasonal thing, so you might be using frozen fruit. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to be using frozen fruit of little bits of odds and ends that I have sort of collected in my freezer. But if you had fresh fruit, you would be making it exactly the same way. So I'm going to measure directly into my pie pan. There are 4 things that go into any good fruit filling: fruit, sweetener, seasoning, and thickener. Here goes my fruit. I have about 4 cups, 1 quart of fruit that's going into this pie pan. And you can see this is a mix of sour cherries, blueberries, and blackberries. When I'm looking at this, I don't want it to go way, way high up over the rim of my pie pan. I want there to be about a ½ an inch below the pie pan, the rim. Now that doesn't mean that you have to get the straight edge out, just sort of adjust it a little bit. Okay, and so any pie pan, if you have a larger pie pan than this one or a smaller one, you measure to the size of your pie pan. Now, once I've measured that, I'm going to dump it right in here. That's step 1. Step 2 is my sweetener, and I'm going to be taking on this, because I have some tart and some sweet, I'm going to be taking about a little less than a cup of sugar. Throw that right over the top. Then I'm going to start in on my seasoning. I want to have a little bit of salt in here, maybe about 1/4 teaspoon. I like to play with food, so I grind my salt with my hands. That's my kosher salt. I'm going to put in a little squeeze of lemon. And this is a nifty little thing. Use a sieve strainer to keep the seeds out. Put a little squeeze of that in. I'm going to put in some nutmeg. And this is one of those cheese graters. It's fabulous for grating nutmeg. Here we go. A little bit. That's all you need. And then I'm going to put in one of my favorite secret ingredients, a little Cointreau, or an orange liqueur of your choice. Whoops! That looks like about a good amount. The last thing I need is thickener. So because these are all exceptionally juicy fruits, I'm going to be probably putting in 3 to 4 tablespoons. So I'm going to start with 3 and kind of take a look at that. 1, 2, 3 of my quick cooking tapioca. That actually does look fairly good to me. So now I can either use a wooden spoon or even my hands, and I'm just going to mix this all up until it looks like it's coated with sort of like pink powdered sugar. Then I'll take a taste. This is good. That's it. Happy pie making.